Right, boys. Hopefully, you guys can hear me and you can see me. Let's go to the charts and find a trade for the day. Well, that's a huge fucking gap there. We close here and then we open down there. 1.24. Crazy. Right. Let me put the market open. Literally in what? Fucking 1 minute. I didn't even see the time. Right. I've got to be quick with this. Let's go to 4 hour. We hit this bullish gap in 4 hour, and now we are trading away from it, as you can see. And there is another. This is interesting. There is no fair value gap that's gonna stop us from going up. We are pretty bullish. We got this market open. And next day open gap here from this to this, which we pretty much covered in the London session. Let's try and find some longs, because I don't want to short. Yeah, I don't want to short till we get up here, maybe. Yeah, at least up here. I don't want to short, so I'm going to go to 15 and then try and see if I can find something. I mean, let's see. We got this FVG, and then we have a teeny tiny one, I think, on ES2 down there. Yup. Looks like we might end up coming down, and then, yeah. Let's go to 5 minutes. There is a tiny gap there, but I don't know. I would like price to come down here and then see longs out of that. Let me see if there's any news. No news today. Cool. There we go. We're seeing the moves down now. Let's wait and see what happens. Hopefully the mic is not too loud. By the way, this is my first video on YouTube. I've never done this before. Well, I mean on YouTube, obviously I've traded before, but not on YouTube. This is my first video. Right. Let me lock in for a minute and then I'll give you the intro. You know, I could potentially take shots because we sweep that and now we are coming down, but I don't want to. I don't want to take shots. As I said, the chart's really bullish at the minute since market open. And I don't want to be shorting this bitch. I want to wait. See longs. There's this gap here. I'd like to mark out, just in case. We've got 5 minutes. One filled in here as well. I might not even trade today. I can't take shorts because obviously we got this 5 minutes here, and then I can trade to 5 minutes down there. Realistically, I don't want to do that. I'd rather wait for the price to come down, and we creating at the minute we're creating this low resistant liquidity up here, which is a good sign. Ideally, I want to see this lows get swept and then a long out of that. I hope this video is not fucking 2 hours long, because this is my first video, and you see, every time I start talking about myself, the price is coming down to my draw. Alright, guys, I'll tell you I'll tell you a little bit about me. So I'm 21 years old, and just one second. I'll tell you about me in a minute. Let's see what we can get out of here. Okay, perfect. There's a 15 there, and then there's a 15 down there too. Down here. realistically, there's no any other high on the side there. So this is where I have to maybe go break even or take my profits with this high up there. Whichever one takes it out first, I just have to go break even maybe. ES looks pretty much. I think it's gonna inverse this gap with this candle, and I think it's gonna hit the 5 minute, 15 minutes high, 15-minute high. It's not 15, it's 5 minute high. It's gonna be sad, but it is what it is. Good. So as I was saying, I'm 21. I finished my uni. I did business and accounts at uni, and not really a big fan of 9 to 5. So I started trading. I started trading when I was at uni. Pretty much lost. Till today, I've lost nearly. I don't even know, to be honest. Probably around 15 grand, £15,000. As I'm in UK, yeah, £15,000 I've lost till now. But I've started being consistent with this market recently, so it's all about the consistency, you know. Just show up every day. You gotta do what you have to, regardless you win or you lose in the markets. You know, it's, as long as you follow your strategy and you stick to your risk parameters, you're good to go. So yeah, man. I have no idea how this video is gonna turn out to be, because this is my first video on YouTube ever, and I'm starting this series. I'm gonna continue posting every single day, every trade that I take, and then maybe in near future I'm gonna post some videos on how I trade my strategy. Looks like we're gonna invest this 1 minute here with this candle. So I'm gonna be up with I have to get ready with my stops and take profits. It doesn't look, this candle doesn't look promising, you know. Pre-swap that. Pre-swap that. We didn't get the inverse. If anything, it's just a good thing, because look at that. We got liquidity there. We got another there. Same with the ES. So I mean, if anything, it's just a good thing. I'd want to wait and see inverse, and then I'd probably keep my, you know, before this move down, I was gonna trade something like this, but now I'm gonna keep my stops to down there. You might be wondering why my stops there. No idea. I just feel if price wants to go up, it's not gonna come down to this level anymore. It doesn't, I don't know why it's doing this. Should be inversing by now. It should have been inversed this gap by now. Let me see if we have anything going on in 3 minutes. Nothing. 5 minutes. Nothing. I don't know. Well, we re-sweep this. I don't know what it is. Just low. We sweep that. So I'm just gonna wait and let's see. Something to keep in mind. We just inverse this 5 minute. Which ES hasn't. It's bouncing off. So let's go to 1 minute. Potentially see a sweep of that. Perfect. That's what I wanted to see. Let's go. Let's go. Perfect. Now this is the inverse. Forget about this. Let me make sure there's no. Yeah. This is great entry, This trade's gonna be great. I'm gonna make 1 billion, 1 trillion on this trade. The fuck? Alright, that. Oh my days. This is really good place. This here is a really, really good space to long. If we take this out, that's great. Which looks like we are going to. ES is fucking holding. Oh, don't do that, don't do that. Don't come all the way down there and then do this. Oh, if we inverse this, I have to enter. And then this low being this close, like literally, what? Just 0.2%, only 4 points away. That's, I don't know, oh, fuck's sake, we inverse that. This fucking big candle. Did it, oh, fuck's sake, can't even enter now. I'm just fucking cussing a lot now. See, this is the place I was gonna go break even. Oh, annoying. So annoying. See, I could have entered right there, right here. My stops obviously. No one here, sorry, my bad. Now it's like right here, stops right there. Take profits there. 1-to-1, break even at this point. Break even at this point, but this candle on ES, it already hit this high where I was gonna go break even. So even if I enter here, this candle could very well just come down, stop me out. So that's the whole reason I didn't enter. Just gotta wait now to find a better entry. Well, I've got this big. That should be. You know what? I still think I can find something. I still think there's something. Just wait, maybe. How long has it been? 51. No idea. 20 minutes. I'll just wait and then see what happens. Get rid of that. No need. Hmm. Hopefully we don't come all the way down here and then don't leave any further FVGs. So that's been taken out. I'm pretty sure we won't come down here now. Yeah. We can still work with it because we got good room to go up from here to this. and then stops maybe down somewhere here. Same with this, quite a few space to go up and down. So that's why I'm still on the charts. And then perfecto. We got this low. And then on ES, we got this low. We wait, watch, and trade. We might end up just ripping, you know. It's enough volume today. Enough volume. Let's see what we did in London today. London opens at 3. Not much. Sideways, manipulation, down. I don't know. I was just thinking in my head, of taking shorts, but you know, honestly, I don't want to take shorts because you know, it's just since we open, it's just bull run, you know, bull run. So I don't want to be shorting this. I mean, if we sweep this and then we start getting inwards to the downside, it's a good place to be shorting, you know. But I'd rather wait and then long. I don't want to short. I just longs, they look good. Because we can potentially inverse this 5-minute here. This one. Fucking. This one. And then we might end up. So what we can do, come down, inverse this, come up, and then maybe there's a fair value gap here, and then we inverse that. We take shorts here, stops up here, and then break even at this low, and then take profits here. Yeah, that's a good setup too, but I don't really want to short today. We did not come to the discounted range down here, so I still think it's gonna come down, give us a good entry. Well, ES did, as Nasdaq didn't. Right, if we take this high, I don't know. Oh, we did. No, I did say I'm not gonna short, but if it gives me a really good reason to short, I wouldn't mind. There's no 3G, nothing much, you know. Nothing much of this is telling me to go down, except go up. Ooh, we nearly filled the gap, you know, on both the indexes. Now we might. There. And keeping this high. Not high, but we still have this much gap to be filled in. So keeping that in mind, look, we're really close on ES, like really, really close. So keeping that in mind, I'm not gonna short right now because look, it might be giving me 3 minute, even 1 minute. No, only 1 minute. 1 minute inverse, but I'm not gonna take it right there. It's a good setup to long, you know, if we come down, take that out. I wanna trade, yes, I wanna trade Nasdaq. I might not trade on the first video ever on the YouTube. Oh my days. I wanna trade. I wanna trade. If only ES didn't take this high, I would have been in the trade. Well, I would have been off the charts by now. No, if we choose in 5 minutes. How does 15 look? Clean. You know that is a trade too short right here with this 3 minute inversing this gap to this low. Stops up here. But I don't want to because look, we are going up. We come down. Liquidity, we sweep all of this. We come down, we sweep this, and then we go boom right up. And then we are moving up. Oh my days. What do you want to see? What do we want to do? Before trading indexes, I was trading Forex. I traded Forex for around 2 years, I think. Yeah, it didn't work out for me, Forex. I started doing this. It's just Forex, it takes ages. It takes ages for the price to move from one place to another. Or index, they go right away, you get the moves quickly when the market opens. They move more clearly than the Forex. So I prefer trading indexes than that. Did we get a 5 minute anything? Nothing. We do have this low, and this low. It's just too far away now, that is too close. We might take that first and then do whatever we want to do. I don't know, if we take this high, I'll just call it a day. I know the video's been, fucking, I don't know, 38 minutes, I think. This was the obvious trade for today, you know. This right here. What the fuck? This right here. Longs. Stops there. TP 1 to 1. Break even at this point. I didn't miss the entry. I didn't miss the entry. Just it took the high that I wanted to take. So there was no point entering the trade after that, because it can very well just go down here. Even though the chart's being this much bullish today, bullish. It could just come down to whatever the fuck it was, you know. Let's see, 15 minutes. You know, this could be another entry. If we create a FAG there, and I mean, I'm gonna trade Nasdaq. Create a FAG there. We sweep that low, and then bull run from there. Oh my god, it's taking years now. If you do watch this video, leave some comments on if I need to improve anything, you know, like my mic, camera, or this setup, or anything at all, because I'm really new to this video things, so obviously don't have any experience in this. This is good because look, we still got this objective to take this. It's not a high, it's just a gap. We still, oh, did we feel that? Yeah, we did. On Nasdaq, we did fill the gap, because that is where the gap is supposed to be from. So I mean, fuck, I don't know. I'd wait for the price to retrace a little bit, and then see. Am I talking too slow? I hope you guys can hear me properly. At least market's not going sideways. Good thing. It's a good price action, you know. Right, so 15 minutes is about to close, and then this is the 15-minute low. How the fuck do I add text to this? From here? Nope. Psych. Maybe there. Yeah. 15 minutes. That's the 5 minute. Perfect. Okay, load the fucking. We just took 15-minute low. Yup, it was a low, as you can see. Okay, nice, good. Good. I like that. I like that. Okay. I don't know. I don't want my first video to be an hour long. So what I'll do, I'll cut the waiting bit where we are waiting for this to happen, and then I'll put this bit. I don't know. I'll do something. I'll make it short. That's all I mean. Let's go. No fucking farewell you get. No fucking FVG. I mean, fuck. Okay, this, I don't know, because we got 5 minute FVG there. There's nothing on ES though. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna play this now. I'm not sure how to play this now. I mean, fuck if we take that. If you take the days, I have to go break even then. What else? Yeah, there's nothing is good on ES. It looks good on ES, but Nasdaq, I don't know, man. It looks like we want to sweep that low and then move higher. This is a tricky place to be, because I don't know, man. We got this 3 minute up here to inverse to if you wanna take longs, but then fuck. We have to take profit there. Quick break even maybe. And then wait for 1-to-1 to go. No. I don't know. Too much going on. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this as my first video. It's fucking cold. I know I said I'm not going too short, but if we take this high, this 1 minute high, and then we shit the bed, I might take shots to this low. If we take this high, we inverse this, I might take shots. If we don't, great. We come down, we take this, we take longs. I would love that. Okay, fuck. 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 We got this 3 minutes to inverse. We got this 3 minutes to inverse. Okay. You know, I might take longs if we inverse that. Okay. I'm gonna buy maybe, where is it? Up there. Stops. Interesting about the stops. Obviously, I'm gonna take longer shots down there, which on 1 minute looks like. Looks like that. I have to fucking size down. That's the wrong move. I'm catching 50 plus 25. Holy fuck. We took that high. Let's go. Let's go. Got this 3 minutes. We inverse that. Okay. I am seeing longs now. Mm. Okay, it looks like we're gonna get this 5 minute inverse. Break even at this point. TP 1 to 1. Fuck's sake, we did an inverse there. I've got a better idea. It's a bit risky, but once we sweep this high, if we do, this point, I feel like I'm forcing a trade, which I don't want to be doing. Let's go 3 minutes, 1 minute. Do we have anything here to inverse? Nothing. Nothing. I mean, we have a teeny tiny gap here. Okay, we took that. We took that high, as I said. And if we get an inverse now to the downside, it's gonna be a short one and a quick one too. Okay, it doesn't look like it's gonna go down now. Okay, looking good. If you do inverse in 1 minute with a good volume, I might enter. I might. It's just taking so long today. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes. We inverse 5 minutes. Ah, motherfucker. We took that high. I know, I feel like longing, at the minute. And I'm in buy. My stop loss is down here. TP 1 to 1. I'm gonna go break even though there is an SMT to this lows. I've still entered again. It's just I don't know why. I just did. And then 2 to 1. Break even at this high. And then I'll close my position once we take this 5 minute high. It's looking alright. It's looking okay. Looking okay. Ooh, you know what? We got all this low resistance liquidity down here too. I mean, not an ideal way to take long, but now that I am in the trade, I'm going to hold. Gonna wait till my TP or stop loss gets taken out. Hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Super close to my stop loss, and I'm about to get stopped out, and you know what? I'm not gonna post this video. Hmm. I was just kidding about not posting the video. Even though if I lose, I'll post the video. Cause I want to start this, and I'm gonna keep continuing it. So yeah. Wait, how did that happen? 1 5 minute, I got filled here. If I go to 1 minute, they kind of close right there. I don't know how that works. Hmm. And let me know if you watched the video. Let me know if you want me to post the video once I'm in the trade, and then just let you guys be updated when I'm out of the trade. So if you want to do that, or if you wanna go through the trade with me, whatever suits you. I mean, this video is, I don't know what, 1 hour long already. See what's S&P doing. Okay, let's go. Let's go bull running. This is my break-even point, and this is my TP. I don't really have anything to talk about unless you guys suggest anything. Yeah, I'm saying you guys, but I don't know if anyone's gonna watch this video anytime soon. But if you do, please leave a comment, you know. I mean, if you don't, I'm gonna be watching the views anyway. Even if you don't leave a comment, I'm gonna know someone watched it. However, if you wanna know something or anything at all, leave a comment asking the question and I'll answer it tomorrow. Or maybe, I don't know. Whenever I read the question, I'll answer it. Common man. I know you want those highs. Come on, come on. This is literally what you guys have to do as well, you know, when you're trading live markets. sometimes it takes a lot of fucking time for the price to go to your take profit or stop loss. All you gotta do is nothing, just wait for it, wait for the price to hit the level you want to take profits or get out of the trade, take a loss. You just gotta wait, do nothing, watch, think nothing, no analysis paralysis anymore. Just sit tight and watch. Oh my days, my days. Oh my god, I don't even need. Come on. Come on. Take profit. Come on. TP, come on. let me get rid of these lines. These lines don't mean anything now. These lines don't mean anything now. Bro, what the fuck? I don't even know what I'm saying. Glitching, bugging out. I have no idea. Need water. And coconut water. Coconut water. And coconut water. Coconut. Let's go, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm ready with my stops at break even. I'm ready at my. I'm ready to move my stops at break even. I'm ready. I'm ready, really ready to break even now. Hit that. Hit that. Hit that high. Hit that high. Hit that high. Come on. Come on. Did we? What the fuck? That is so fucking okay. I'm pretty sure we did. Okay. On break even. On break even. On break even. I'm just gonna wait for my TP to be taken out. Oh my days, it's gonna come down now. What is it doing? You're not really far from my TP. Come on. TP, come on. Take profit, come on. So fucking close. Look, can you see? I'm break even anyway. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm worried anyway. And I wasn't anyway, to begin with. You know, it's really pain in the ass if we get stopped out at break even because look, we edge my TP. We edge my TP. We came so fucking close to my TP. I would have been out of my trade right now. Fuck's sake. Wait, let me see. That's not even 1-to-1. That is. That's just perfect. Okay. 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 This trade I call. There's no fucking I mean, there was internal, but there's no external. So this is just a continuation trade. Okay, okay, okay. I think, think, think. That is super close. Just fucking hit that TP. Jeez. That's how, boys. I made how much I made, how much I made. I made £1,260. Alright guys, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.